This is the capacitor discharge welding head I've been working on. When I was messing with making a CD welder for batteries, I found that the pressure of the welding tip had such a big influence on the weld quality, I put the CD welder project on hold and started working on this. The frame is made of acrylic. I have easy access to small scrap pieces, so it's built from 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch acrylic sheet. It glues up very strong and is easy to drill and tap, and it makes it easy to see what's going on. The motors are from some scrap HP printers. The motors have the same part number but came out of different models. I think one model was an OfficeJet Pro 8100. I measure the pressure with this homemade load cell. Strain gauges are glued to thin aluminum arms that connect the load cell frame to a ball bearing holding center block. There is a small acne threaded rod axially clamped to the ball bearing. The more pressure on the threaded rod, the more the arms flex. The threaded rod drives a plastic nut which pushes on a spring mounted in an aluminum block. The block holds the shaft to the tip holder and is mounted on a linear slide so it can only move up and down. The tips are just 1/8 inch hard copper machined down to 1/16 inch tip diameter. The main components of the control panel are an I2C 128x64 OLED display, rotary encoder with switch, and a 16-bit PIC microcontroller. The motor board is a 16-bit PIC microcontroller, a couple of H-bridge motor drive ICs, and a couple of instrumentation amplifiers for the strain gauges. I wanted to be able to set the tip pressure from about 1 to 15 pounds. The 1 pound setting is being a pain to get, but 2 pounds up seems to be working. Calibration settings right now are quite tedious. It's just really setting all the motor drive parameters for each setting. The pressure applied seems to be consistent enough that I can get back to working on the CD welder, and using this a bit will sure reveal its rough edges. These are the most consistent, strongest welds I've gotten, so this is looking promising.